Michigan Life above the 45th parallel.
I'm Jason.
I'm Clarissa. In today's episode, we've got friends up. They're hanging out with us for the weekend. Today we're going to be pulling out the tractor.
I think getting down to the clearing.
Do a little bit of chainsaw action.
Maybe work in the driveway, drop a tree or two that's on the edge. Some of the big trees. Got extra hand here, so I might as well
utilize. It'll be good.
So, a few little things today. Tag along, see what we got going on.
Let's see what happens next. It's been a crazy week. It's kind of weird when you totally get out of your normal schedule. You end up having all kinds of other stuff happening. You end up interacting a lot more with other people, and it totally changes your perspective and lets you enjoy life again for a minute. You are hugged up against that wall. Holy cow, talk about getting in tight.
Well, I gotta have enough room over here for chipper, compressor, and stuff. Instead of piling up in the back, if I smack it against the wall, and I'll have the trailer on the left side, I got enough room to get in and out and not have to move everything.
Talk about some tractor skills there, babe.
Okay.
I started up in a couple weeks ago. Darn it. Darn the player got messed up. Tractor maintenance.
The grease gun. Grease up the tractor with it. Battery operated to match my other tools, so.
As with everything.
Gotta make sure I load it properly. So.
Always glance over the direction. Outdoor chirping keeps people sleeping longer.
a wall just in here?
Especially if you don't come up here much during winter.
Tractor, 70s. Yeah. I do have a forklift in the back of the trailer over there. So that's 10K.
That's cool.
This is the other Firebird.
I mean, with your, it's mostly what you do.
I need a back.
Refill it when you need to.
That was going to repair itself. All the
Hey, so Amy and I, we're going to go ahead and get these couple little trees while the guys are doing their little tour, because, you know, that's what we like to do, cut down trees.
I've never done this before, so it'll be an exciting adventure.
Yeah, it'll be fun. Woo.
Success.
Isn't that so cool? Not gonna get that one.
It's got some growth to it. Well, they all have growth. Should I hold the tree?
I do want to looks like that.
Here, honey. Oh, they're good. Oh, look at good gentlemen. Did you put out
Guess
your
what we
spring?
found? Or Worm found us. We have blackberries.
Yeah, I saw them.
Yep. At the edge, like when we come in and get
Like right
down
at the
the
beginning of your
easement,
thing.
the end of the property, we have them on the right side, and then there's some more at the curb. There's some more
Blackberries.
I'm like, oh, we have a couple things.
They're nice sized plants too.
Yes? How big are the berries? Are they like thumb size or anything?
No,
No, they're
still-
only like this
just
big, but the plants are like this, and then they go over. So
They
they've been,
drape over,
they're
so-
probably 2 years old.
10 to 20 range.
What
I
about
can get a
mules?
brand new Polaris.
I've never met the guy. This is where I think they're putting the house over here, right?
Yeah, this is our clearing started. Look at that fucking tree, dude.
Holy crap.
Some of all these small ones behind it, you know, back there where it's gonna fall.
Right.
And I'm hoping that thing looks like it's gonna fall like right over there to the
Yeah.
left of that big white one.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking I drop that one to the left.
No, it's gonna fall to the right of that white one.
So I'm gonna have to clear more out of there before I can drop that so I don't hang it up. That thing's gonna.
That'd be horrible
Yeah.
to hang it up.
Yeah. That's a big ass fucking maple. Hang it.
I love birds.
You know, there's a bunch of ferns. As soon as you open up it, like ferns growing here. I love it. It's like tied into that tree too, like that branch is growing into it. See, it looks like it might fall right in between, dude.
It's gonna fall right about where that one pine is, right there. Between those two spots, I bet you that's where it's falling.
Yeah, I know. So I'm thinking if I drop that big white one and one to the left, and then like hopefully it just like skims past that pine.
Yeah. I mean, if it hangs up on that pine, then cut the pine down.
Right.
You know?
But that, like behind you to your left, like those medium ones, get all those
Yeah,
out.
all this shit out of there.
Yep. And then we're gonna get out of here, right to your right up front. And then back here, and then this whole area will be like the barn. Build a big like 60 by 50. 60 by 60.
Yeah, do some finagling with that tree too, because that wants to fall back.
I know. You're getting like some rough shit.
Like a little arrangement.
You're here. So now we just gotta take down all this,
These couple trees.
and then at the edge, so it's like all wide open. And then I wanted to take down like
A lot of this here could be cut up eventually, like any of these big, huge.
pretty much.
These are just, this is where that like kind of, you can almost see a line right there. That's the edge of our property.
Okay.
So we don't want to make it to where it's open over there.
Oh, right.
Right.
You know what I'm
Keep
saying?
it shut, yeah. For
Yeah.
people that think that they could do something on there.
Oh,
Hunting. People think
looking,
that-
coming onto just, yeah,
We
like
can also
a
grind
buffer.
it, look,
Yeah,
you know,
it is.
down and
Yeah.
I never thought of it like that. But you would use these kind of things.
All
But
this is
not
going to
like
be
the
gone.
huge one. Just leave that. You know what I mean? Like,
I'm leaving all of this like this. Maybe clean up a little around the edges because it'll be, you know, but for the most part, this is going to be left the way it is.
yeah, let it be natured
Yeah.
because that's what. Hi, bud. Are you having so much fun? Are
So guys, so down at the clearing, you got help. So, buddy Jamie, he's got his chainsaw. He's gonna go down there and start clearing down some little medium guys in the edge of the clearing. I'm gonna use the tractor and pull some of the logs over here out of the way so I can. And then we're probably gonna cut down some trees in the edge of the driveway around here and make it a little easier on the far side so I can widen it and make the driveway a little more passable a little farther down so that we get some more driveway progress done. So, gonna get to work.
Here we go.
something. Go like 1.5 feet back to center. Lift it up so it's not so tippy.